So I'm in South Carolina right now, and I normally live in Connecticut, and it's about 900 miles away. Now, if the sun is actually 90 million miles above the Earth, 90 million miles, that's what science says the sun is, the distance of the sun from the Earth. How on earth could we have such an insane temperature difference from Boston to South Carolina? It's not that far, and you have a 40-degree temperature difference. So how? If the sun is millions and millions of miles away, how does it affect the temperature on the Earth like that? So you can move, a few hundred miles and the temperature changes that drastically. It really doesn't make any sense. It's silly. What actually explains it is when you look at a Gleason map and you understand that the sun circles. That's actually what it says on a Gleason map. It says the sun is circling. It doesn't say the Earth is circling. It says the sun is circling. And the sun makes circles and it widens every day until it gets to December 21st. And then December 21st, 22nd, 23rd, and 24th, it sets in the same location because the sun has now started. It's as far as it's going to go from New England. That's it. And it stops. It sets in the same location for 3 days. And then on the winter solstice on December 25th, the sun actually begins to move and it starts circling closer inward until it reaches its closest point at the Tropic of Cancer, and then it does the same thing, and it keeps going in and out. Now, that explains time zones. That explains weather. That explains everything. What doesn't explain anything at all is the globe theory and the heliocentric model. The heliocentric model comes from Helios, okay, the ancient god of the sun. So we're talking about sun worship. All right, that's all it is, man. The sun is Helios. Helios is the ancient god of the sun, and they've got us to worship Helios. It's really, there's not much more going on other than that, honestly, because we do not move. The Earth is not spinning. The Earth is not going anywhere. The Earth is standing still, just like it says in the Bible, just like it says in ancient texts. It says the Earth is standing still and that the sky above us is moving. I mean, literally tells us this on a Gleason map. It shows you and tells you, and it makes more sense. If you want proof that we're not on a ball, go to my website. I have a 200-page book, and it's proof. 200 pages of proof that we don't live on a ball. This is my opinion, and if you want to learn, go to my website. Get your book. Get it for free. It's free right now. All my books are. Go get them. I love you all, my opinion.